In this video, we're going to be coming back to basics, and I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress onto some website hosting. Let's go. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. I hope you're all well. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, why not subscribe? Would love to have you as part of the WP Eagle family. It's really easy to do. Just click on the subscribe button below and click that bell to be notified of new videos. You might also want to check out wpeagle.com. It's full of WordPress stuff. Go take a look. But anyway, in this video, we're going to be installing WordPress onto some website hosting. I'm going to be using HostGator as my example, but the process should be pretty similar on other website hosts too. Basically, just got to log in to your control panel and look for the Install WordPress button. If you're looking to install WordPress onto your computer, your PC or your Mac, I'm going to be doing another video on that really soon, so keep an eye out for that. If I've already created that video because you're watching this video in the future, I'll put a link to it in the description or in a card or something like that. But anyway, let's get on the computer and let's install WordPress. Okay, so the first thing we need to do before we can install WordPress is get some website hosting. Now today I'm going to be recommending HostGator. I'll put a link up in a card now, and you'll also find a link in the description. I've also got a fantastic discount code which will get you a great price on your hosting today. Although it is already pretty cheap, that's one of the good things about HostGator. I've been recommending HostGator for a little while, and I use them on pretty much all of my WordPress websites. I found the hosting service to be really good. It's fast, it's reliable. When it comes to getting technical support or anything like that, it's also been really good. Just scroll down, I'll quickly just show you a few of the other benefits. They're here to help you. There we go. You get started quickly and easily, which is what we're going to be doing right now. If you've got an existing site, they'll transfer it over, but you probably haven't as you're looking to install WordPress today. They offer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. The live chat is excellent. So if you don't like picking up the phone and talking to someone, you can do it over text. It works really well. They've got a 45-day money-back guarantee. So for whatever reason you're not happy, you can just walk away, get your money back. And they offer a 99.9% uptime, which basically means your website is going to be online all the time. So let's get started. I'm going to click on web hosting. You'll notice that there is WordPress hosting, but we don't actually need that. The standard web hosting works fine with WordPress, and it's quite a bit cheaper. Hatchling plan is probably going to be fine for most people. Although if you're thinking of setting up multiple sites, then you're probably going to want to consider the baby plan because that supports unlimited domains. Let's choose Hatchling plan and click Buy Now. And here is the order form. Now you're going to need a domain name. If you've already got a domain name, maybe you registered with another provider, that's fine. You'll be able to use that. You can just update your domain name servers. Don't worry, I know that sounds quite technical, but it's pretty easy to do. You can just update that on your domain name registrar, and you can use your existing domain. If you need a new domain name, you can register one with HostGator. Make it nice and easy. Just simply type it in this box, choose the extension that you want, and HostGator will check if it's available, and if it is, you can register it. If you do already own a domain, click on this tab and type your domain in. Now I've got a domain that I'm going to be using for this example. It's just like a test domain I've got. It's called wp.orgdemo.com. So I'm just going to enter that in. I already own the domain. I've got it registered over at GoDaddy. So that's done. I'm going to press tab on my keyboard. And it's going to say that it's fine. And it's going to offer me some other domains if I want to buy them, which I don't. So I'll just leave all that unticked. Next thing is the hosting plan. I've already selected Hatchling. Next is the billing cycle. Now you get a much better deal if you go for 12 months or longer. So depending on how long you want your site, I mean, you're probably going to want it for at least a year. So I would go for the 12 months if you can afford it today, because you're going to save quite a bit. And if you can go for even longer, that's even better. You know, up to 60% off on the 36-month term. I'll choose 12 months for now. You need to enter a username and a PIN. The PIN number is used when you contact support. Section 3 is all around your billing info. I'm not going to fill in this form right now because that's going to be a bit boring and take ages, but you get the idea. You just got to put your email in, your name, address, and your payment information over here. Section 4 is additional services. Now, HostGator offer an SSL certificate for free, so that's really good. It allows you to have HTTPS on your site, which is good for your visitors because they feel nice and safe. It's also good for search engines, because search engines like Google, they love a site that's got an SSL certificate installed. So that's good. But everything else you don't actually need, so just untick these boxes because they just add extra cost. You can protect your site for free using a plugin. Do check out my channel for videos on that, and you can also back up for free using another plugin. Again, I've got videos for all these things on the channel. I'll put links to them in the description. Section 5 is the very important coupon code. There may already be one in there, but the code I'm going to offer you today should give you a better discount. So let's try it out. My code is EAGLE30. So at the moment we've got a $36 discount. If I validate my coupon, we've now got a $42.96 discount, so that's better. So yeah, use the coupon EAGLE30. It is an affiliate coupon, so if you use it, I will earn a small commission. So thank you very much if you do use it. I really appreciate it. So anyway, I'm going to go away and I'm going to fill in this form and get my hosting all set up. And then I should get an email with all the information I need to log in and install WordPress, which is what we're going to be doing right now. So here we go. I'm all signed up. I've got an email from HostGator. Hopefully you've got something very similar. It'll look like this. It's got all the information you need in terms of signing in to your control panel and your billing and all that kind of stuff. So it's a really important email. Make sure that you keep it somewhere safe. Now, if you purchased a domain name from HostGator, you might need to wait a little while just for it to be registered and all that kind of stuff. If there's nothing loading up when you visit your domain name, it basically just means you need to wait a little bit longer. When you do visit your domain name, you should get a HostGator screen come up that says coming soon, that kind of thing. Once you see that, you know it's working. If you've already got a domain name, maybe with GoDaddy or some other domain registrar, you're going to need to head over there, log into your domain name control panel and update the name servers. It should be pretty straightforward in terms of doing that. Just look for a setting around DNS or around name servers. And when you find that, you need to copy and paste these two name servers in. So you only need to do that if you've got a domain name with another registrar. If you just registered one with HostGator, you don't need to worry about that. It should just all work. So I've already updated my name servers on my domain, so it's all ready to go. So we're just going to log into the control panel now and install WordPress. So I'm going to click on this. It's already got my username and password in there because I've logged in before. And here we go. We're now into the HostGator control panel. And it might look quite complicated, but don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. It's basically everything you need in terms of managing your hosting account, like email accounts, that kind of stuff. But all we need to do right now is click on build a new WordPress site. And then I need to select my domain. It's the only one there. For the directory, just leave that blank. Let's click next. Now let's give it a name. So WP Eagle demo site, something like that. It does say blog title, which is a little bit misleading because WordPress can be used for all sorts of things. Websites, e-commerce, not just blogs. That really should say website title, but you get the idea. Next is the admin user. So that's the username you're going to be using to log into WordPress with. It's different to the HostGator login. Put your first name and last name in. That's going to appear next to posts and stuff on your site when you're adding content. Only if you want to, of course, you can hide it. And then you need to put in an email address that's valid. And that's going to be used by your WordPress site to send you information about what's going on. Maybe if you get a new comment, that kind of thing. You want to tick automatically create a new database for this installation. And you also need to tick the terms of service agreement. Let's click install. That's going to take a few moments. Okay, there we are. We're all done. That didn't take too long. So WordPress is all installed now. You want to make a note of this password. It's very important. You're going to need that to log into your WordPress dashboard. And to log into that dashboard, you just click on this login button. And all being well, you'll get your WordPress login screen come up. There it is. I'm going to paste that password in. It already remembered my username, probably from a previous time when I was messing around with this site. And let's click login. And here we go, we're into WordPress. Can save the password in my browser. And dismiss that note. Let's click visit site, let's take a look. There's WordPress, all installed, all working, and ready for us to start working on. That brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully you're all installed, you've got your WordPress ready to go, and now you can start developing stuff with it and make a fantastic website. You'll find loads of videos on my channel around WordPress, so be sure to check those out. If you're not already subscribed, click on the eagle up there, and you might want to check out my other channel. Click on my face up there to take a look. Here is another video chosen especially for you, so I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, bye for now.